Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Baba from the Labubu Have a Seat collection. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the center and let's draw the nose. Let's start with a small curve and a V-shaped point underneath. Next, on both sides, let's draw a curve out and up for the tops of the eyes. And then a long curve down underneath each one. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a large oval. Now inside, let's draw a circle on the top left, and then a smaller circle next to it on the bottom right. And lastly, let's draw an angled oval in the bottom right corner. And that's it for the eyes. Now top underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start on the left next to the eye and let's draw a curve down, over, and then bring it up on the other side. Now underneath in the center, let's draw two V-shaped points for the teeth, and then work our way out on both sides. And that's it for the mouth. Now top out and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a small V shape. And then a zigzag line out on both sides. Now let's curve it down and up. Another curve down and up underneath. And then one large curve across the bottom and over to the other side. Now we're going to hop out and draw the shape of the head. On top in the center, let's draw a zigzag line across. And then curve it out and up at the ends on both sides. And let's do two more going downwards. Another one curving it in and up. And one more curve across the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop to the top and let's draw the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it down, stopping here. And the same on the right side. Now let's draw a zigzag line going down. And then bring it back down to the head. Now top inside each of the ears and let's draw a large curve up and back down. And then one more smaller one inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a zigzag line down and out on both sides. And then another curve down and bring it in. Now at the end here, let's draw the hands. Let's start with a curve on both sides. and then close it off with a zigzag line for the fingers. Now to finish off the arm, let's draw a curve down and out towards the hand on both sides. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw the legs. Underneath the hands, let's draw a point down and up. Now let's curve it down, over, and back up. And then a curve across in the center to close off the body. Now inside the legs here, let's draw the feet. Let's draw a large U-shaped curve down and back up. And then a zigzag line at the top to close it off. And that's it for Baba. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!